Let's buy best products on Amazon. Here we listed 5 best cutting boards on Amazon in 2023. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3.
Introducing the Gorilla Grip Cutting Boards. Durable rubber border helps keep the board in place. Larger and thicker than most brands to help make meal prep easier. Deep juice grooves help catch runoff juices. Reversible for double the use. And dishwasher safe for an easy clean. We hope you love your new cutting boards from Gorilla Grip.
Number 2. Number 1.